learn to read and you can carry it?
What's in there?
It's a storage case.
Let me see. What? That looks like a... Let's see the story in here. Yeah, I don't even know about this. Let me see.
So you get a storybook? Oh, isn't that what you asked for? A storybook from Santa?
Brown for me.
Let me see. What about this? Okay. On the bottom. Oh! What? I thought there was something in there.
Me too.
I did think it was a storybook.
Tag.
It goes right in here, and then it learns how to read.
Wow, look at that. Keep all your books in there.
For me? You give me my best. That's for grandmother.
Are you going to open another present, William?
This one.
Tara.
What's that?
William! William! Oh no, Lilith Pet Shop.
Oh, what did you get? iPod? Speakers for your iPod? Wow, speakers for your iPod so you can go for a walk with it. All right.
What? William got speakers
That
for his
means you don't have to
iPod.
listen to Mummy singing.
Yes, that's why we got that.
An iPod?
No, we have an iPod, but he can't. We could put the little speakers on the coach and then we can go with it. Instead of me singing.
That's mine.
Tara.
Oh no.
Oh. William, what's in this one?
Another present, William?
What is that?
Kid, Bratz, another Bratz.
Ratchet. Ride the pony.
Well, she got the Bratz pony, didn't she?
Yeah.
Oh.
What's he getting?
What did Santa bring William?
Tara.
Oh, another book. Guess how much I love you.
That goes with your plate and cup that you smashed, William.
These are both for Tara.
You're kidding. This is not even... That's crazy.
William.
He must not have